Now, let us understand the views of radicals. These are the second major group in the process who want the social change. Liberals, radicals, and then conservatives. So, we saw the views of liberals. Now, let us look at the views of radicals. Radicals are completely different with views of liberals. Why are they different means? They want a government in which majority of the people's opinion has been counted. So they want people to be as a major source of voting in the governments or bringing the government into power. The main focus should be from the people's point of view. So people should be given true adult franchise. They also supported women's suffrage movements in order to get right to vote for women, which means they are completely against the view of the liberals, where liberals did not want the women to vote and did not want the poor person to get the right to vote. They want only the rich people to vote. In the same point, again, they also were in opposite view with the radicals, like radicals did not encourage any special privileges for the rich people or for the wealthy people. They did not want any special privileges in the society. And the third one, they also had a problem because they are not against the concept of private property, but they also expressed a view that if private property is in extreme phase, if everybody is encouraged to get more and more private property, automatically it would result in concentration of the wealth in very few hands, wherein the society has many people, but if the wealth is in only few hands, the society would not prosper. So that is the reason why radicals want all to get the voting rights, and the people should choose the government what they want, what changes they want. Everything they can do only by getting right to vote. And next, they did not encourage any special privileges, which the liberals want special privileges for a wealthy and rich people. And the third one, the concentration of the wealth in very few hands will definitely break the society into two halves, the haves and the have-nots. So they do not want this breakage. They want all of them to grow together. So the concentration of the wealth in very few hands will destroy the harmony of the society. That's why radicals express these kind of views. Now, the third group, the conservatives. The conservatives were completely dead against either the liberals or the radicals, but they were even against the concept of change. Later, they realized that the situation has come up that we need to change, and the change is inevitable. From the point of view, actually the word conservatives mean that they stick to the old regimes. They want all the old patterns to be continued even in the modern days. That's what the literal meaning of the word conservatives stand for. The same applies here also, where they do not want any changes. They want the past glory to be continued. They are dead against of any change. They are completely opposite in views with the liberals and the other group of radicals. But they also opened up their minds and made up their minds that yes, we need to change. The time has come where the change is inevitable. But they stick to the point that the past has to be respected and the change has to happen in a slow process. So now we have discussed about the three different views which are in the society at that time. Liberals want the religious tolerance, want the people's representatives, want the rights of the individuals to be safeguarded, and later they do not want universal adult franchise at all. Moving to the radicals. Radicals want complete right to votes to all of them. They want wealth to be shared equally. They are not against private property, but they are worried what about the society when the wealth gets confined at very few hands. Coming to the conservatives. Conservatives are against the concept of change, but they agreed that the time has come to change, which is inevitable. So they agreed and they understood the situation that we need to change, but the past has to be respected and the change has to happen in a slow process. These different ideologies or political strategies got clashed after the French Revolution, and in these clashes, which resulted in the revolutions and nations transformation happened. This explained for us how the potential or the capability of the political tendencies shape the nations. We are able to know the limits of the political tendencies, which we will learn in this lesson further.
If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel to get more videos on CBSE syllabus.